This episode is bound to make you and I hungry. Here is the top 10 Africa's finest dishes. Must try African foods. Believe you me, if you haven't eaten any of these, you haven't lived. Number 1, the great debate. Ghanaian jollof or Nigerian jollof? Well, I bet you didn't know Senegal also has it. Makes the voting even more confusing. Number 2, chapati from East Africa. There's a Kenyan version, Somalian, Tanzanian, Ugandan, Rwanda, and a Burundi version. Flat unleavened bread, universal. You can have it as breakfast or lunch. It all depends on what relish you eat it with. Beef stew, veg curry, or fried eggs. Number 3, pondu, the national dish of the DRC. Also known as cassava leaves, nsombe, feuille de manioc. I was recently in Mozambique and they had their own version that was out of this world. Number 4, injera, from Ethiopia. There's a vegetarian version and the meat version. It's a large sourdough flatbread served with doro wort, which is spicy chicken, or veggies. Number 5. Have you ever eaten something and while you're eating it, you are rethinking some of the decisions you made in your life? Egusi, an amalgamation of an assortment of fish, different meats, all combined in one. And very hot too. Number 6, iskopo, a head of a cow, sheep or goat, cooked and eaten. Often served with putu, which is a stiff dry pap. You'll see it, commonly eaten on the roadside, taxi ranks or township, shisanyamas, but deep in tradition, it is enjoyed among friends. Fun fact, in some communities, the head is cooked to whole and served to the eldest male or guest of honor. Number 7, muhodu from Lesotho, the stomach lining or intestines of a cow or sheep, served with pap or dumplings. A similar dish is made in Zimbabwe. They call it matumbu. Number 8, mopano worms or mopani worms. Well, they aren't exactly worms. They are the caterpillar stage of the Gonimbracia, Bellina moth. Anyway, it's just delicious. Spelling does not matter. The mopano worms are raised and fed with the leaves of the mopano tree, hence the name. Now, before you judge us, they carry 60% protein, rich in iron, and full of micronutrients. In Botswana, it's called pane. In the belly, it's called amaqimbi. In Lingala, DRC, they call it mbinzo. Number 9, we're back in the DRC. There's something called dongo dongo. Hey! In Nigeria, you might know it as okra. Now, you need to catch this faster than you catch feelings. Otherwise, it will slip right out of your pap. Often enjoyed with meat alongside the veg and pap. Now, I'd like you to go online and find you the nearest African restaurant and ask them for their menu. If they have any of these, I advise that you hurry. Go and eat this. If you have not eaten these, you haven't lived. From me, Jordi, let me go get me some food. Sayonara.